right, we have an error message. Oh, it's trying to install OS X. That is not what I want. Oh, this is fun. Okay, all right. I wasn't expecting that to happen. Oh, boy. Oh. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is something I have wanted to do for a while. I know a vintage computer may not seem interesting, but I really think it is. And you might also, once you actually see what's on it and all the things it has. Let's just start. I'm so excited. Okay, so I haven't even turned on the computer yet. I've been waiting until I was actually able to film. From what I know so far, this is the 20-inch model of the iMac, early 2009. This came before the late 2009 model, which introduced the 21.5-inch and 27-inch sizes. This was back when they still did the 20 and 24-inch. So I believe this is the 20-inch model, but I'm really excited. One of the reasons that I wanted to get an older computer like this is that I could run Leopard or Snow Leopard, and this can run both of those, which is really, really cool. So I'm excited to explore that. I might need to replace the hard drive, which is something that we'll also do in another video. So I have a lot of plans with this computer. One of the really cool things about this computer is that it comes with the original keyboard, which is awesome. And it also comes with the original software disks, which I'll use to install Mac OS X Leopard. I'm not sure if just plugging it in will automatically turn on the computer, but if it doesn't, we always have the power button. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, that did not turn it on, so we probably need to use the power button. Ready? Oh, there we go, Apple logo. All right. So we are getting somewhere. That hard drive does not sound very good. I will probably need to replace that at some point. I was already planning to do that, so that's fine. Did it not find an operating system? I'm guessing that's what it is. Okay, we have some options. We can either restore from a time machine backup, reinstall OS X, get help online, or disk utility. I want to try disk utility just to see what partitions are on here, to see if there's even an operating system. And this computer does not recognize the mouse that I've plugged in. It is a wireless mouse. Oh my god, I'm extremely smart. You guys, the mouse was off the whole time. Now I need to try it with the mouse turned on. Let's see if that does anything. Oh yeah, there we go. We've got a mouse! All right. So let's just try disk utility. I want to see what's going on in here. Okay, so there is indeed not an operating system currently installed on this computer, so we will need to install a new one. I believe it'll reinstall El Capitan, because that's the latest this computer supports. All right, it was successful. Let's continue the installation. To download and restore OS X, your computer's eligibility will be verified with Apple. Okay. Okay, terms and conditions. Please read the software license agreement, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I agree. I've read it. Yes, of course I have. All right, so we're going to install it on the Macintosh hard drive here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, did you see that? It said like 964 million hours left. Okay, we appear to be rebooting. Oh, whoa! All right, we have an error message. OS X could not be installed on your computer. No packages were eligible for install. Contact the software manufacturer for assistance. Well, folks, it looks like that did not work. Let's try restarting, I guess? I suppose that's what we'll have to do. I knew this error message existed, but I never expected to see it in person, so that's fun. There we go, we got the boot chime. I'm guessing because the operating system is so old, it wasn't able to pull it from the App Store properly, and so it couldn't install it. Because the latest compatible operating system for this computer is still quite old. It came out in 2015, OS X El Capitan, so that could be why it isn't working. It looks like it went right back to the same error message. I wasn't here the entire time, so I just walked in on this saying that. So I want to restart again just so I can see exactly what happens from start to finish with this install. Oh, here we go. Okay, we're in Install OS X. This is what we were supposed to see last time, but I wasn't here. Oh, installing on Macintosh hard drive. About 17 minutes remaining. Okay, here we go. OS X could not be installed on your computer. So it's probably running into an issue somewhere as it's trying to install. Like, it gets a certain point, and then it's like, oh, I can't do this, therefore it can't be installed. There's probably just one thing that's going wrong. It's probably just the same thing every time, like this one little hiccup in the install. Whoa! Oh, it's trying again. It's trying to install again. That isn't really what I wanted it to do, but here it goes. I was trying to quit the installer. We're probably going to have to boot into recovery, I'm guessing, because I don't really see a way to get out of this. So we're probably going to have to hard boot into recovery instead of just letting it go on its own. Because when we let it go on its own, it just tries to reinstall OS X again. Okay, yes, the recovery worked. All right. It did not try to install the operating system again. So let's try to restart with Option Command R, because that will boot into recovery over the internet. All right, I have Option Command R held down right now. Hopefully I did it quick enough. All right, it looks like internet recovery didn't work. Now we're going to try to install Mac OS X Leopard using this handy dandy install disk. Oh, it's trying to install OS X. That is not what I want. Okay, well, as we expected, the installation of OS X failed. I wasn't planning on having it install, but it decided to when I booted it up. So I want to try putting in the disk, see if it will take it. It's just not taking it. Is there an optical drive in here? Guys, I got the disk in. I just had to push it in all the way. Oh, this is fun. Okay, all right. I wasn't expecting that to happen. There's a Mac OS X install DVD. Oh, okay, I got it to work. So now we should be able to boot from the disk when we shut down. We have a boot chime. All right, this is the Leopard DVD. I've never booted off of this before, so I don't know what it looks like. Whoa! Oh, blue screen? Oh, boy! Oh, this is awesome! Oh my god, okay. I am so excited for this. Okay, I need to sit down. Use English for the main language. Preparing installation. Oh my god, the barber pole. Mac OS X Leopard installer. To install Mac OS X, click Continue and then follow on-screen instructions. To quit, choose Quit Installer from the installer menu. Read the following information before you install Mac OS X. Okay, before we even start, oh my god, the menus at the top. This is awesome. I'm having so much fun already and we haven't even started. Okay. For more information about Mac OS X, visit this website. I'm sure that still works. To continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Please read the software license agreement carefully. Blah, blah, blah. I read it. Totally agree. Mac OS X will be installed on the Macintosh hard drive volume. Let's go to install. In installing, we have the barber pole. Checking installation DVD. The DVD you are using to install Mac OS X is being checked for consistency. All right, and the installation is complete. Now it's giving us additional information. If we've erased the disk, which we have, you will need to install the iLife applications, iPhoto, iMovie, GarageBand, iWeb, and iDVD. So I suppose it'll let us insert the new disk once we hit continue? Okay, Mac OS X was installed on your Macintosh hard drive volume. Were we supposed to insert that other disk before we hit continue? Here we go, guys! This is so exciting! This is the intro video for Mac OS. Ah, guys, there it is. The Mac OS X Leopard.
Mac OS X includes a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Why is it talking to me? We have to put the information in. Continue. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Hear that sound? That's fun. I think we're going to need to go back and install the applications with the separate DVD after it actually boots into the operating system. I'm just so excited, guys. It's taking a while to talk with Apple. Imagine if Apple actually sees this request and they're like, why is he setting up a early 2009 iMac with Leopard? That makes no sense. That's an operating system from like 10 years ago. Now it's time to choose a picture. We have a lovely selection of pictures here that Apple has provided us. It auto-selected this sunflower picture, so I think I'm just going to keep that for now. Thank you. Your Mac is set up and ready so you can back up your computer, browse your files with CoverFlow, email with Style, chat using effects and backdrops, and organize your work. Enjoy using your Apple computer and Mac OS X. So I'm assuming that all the features that are listed here, yeah, they are. They are new features in Mac OS X Leopard, which came out in 2007. So these were all the new features, or the major ones at least, that they introduced back then. So it's interesting to see like the time machine backups, the chat features and stuff, even CoverFlow weren't introduced until 2007 with Leopard. Alright, here's our blue screen. You'll see that a lot in these earlier versions. Alright guys, here we are. I'm trying to identify the keyboard and it's not letting me. Come on. So it recognizes my Mac OS X install DVD and says I can install it again and all the fancy stuff. Let's eject the CD. There we go. Okay. Now let's put in the applications install DVD. Alright, here's our applications install disk. So let's go to instructions first to see what's in here. This package contains a program that determines if the software can be installed. Are you sure you want to continue? Sure. Mac OS X Leopard installer. To install the additional applications that came with your computer, click continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Continue. To continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. I agree. Click Install to perform a standard installation of this software on the volume Macintosh HD. So this install is just for some of the bundled applications that come with this computer, such as iWeb, iPhoto, iDVD, iMovie, GarageBand, and all of that fancy-dancy stuff. Once we finish the installation of this video will basically be over. We don't have anything else that we can do in this video right now. I will be exploring the operating system at some point, but that will be a separate video. I'm not going to do that in this video because this video is for the installation process and all of the fun times that have occurred because of it. That was a weird, shaky sentence, but okay, anyway. Let's let this do its thing. Alright, guys, it looks like everything is done. We have successfully installed the applications. Let me just eject. All right. Before we go, I do want to just take a quick look at the About This Mac panel to see if we can gain any more information about the computer that we're using. So it's obviously running Mac OS X version 10.5.6. We have a 2.66 gigahertz Intel Core 2 Duo with 4 gigabytes of memory. That was upgraded from the 2 that came originally in the machine. I don't want to look at anything else in the operating system for now. I'll save that for when I do my Mac OS X Leopard exploration video. Alright, and finally, let's shut down the computer. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We successfully set up the computer and installed Mac OS X Leopard. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing because I'll have a lot more videos with this computer coming out in the future. So all there is left to say is bye.